Hey friends, it's your girl DonyB and welcome back to yet another episode of DonyB TV. In today's episode, I am going to be showing you how I treated my son's neck rash. So stay tuned and keep watching. My son is fresh out of the tub. I ensured that his neck is completely dry, and then I'm going to apply some Desitin all around his neck in order to treat the rash. Sure, the application process can get a bit messy, as you can see, but don't fear because all of this Desitin does tend to clear up later. I also ensure that I apply Desitin to the back of his neck because that can be neglected, but as the baby lays down, then drool can tend to pool up in the back of his neck. Next, I'm going to apply some Aquaphor. Now, this Aquaphor acts as a protective barrier. You know how oil and water does not mix, so when he drools, then the drool is going to slide right on down his neck instead of sticking. The next tip is to apply a bib. The bib is going to absorb all of the excess moisture, and also you want to make sure that you're changing out this bib every hour to an hour and a half, especially after the baby eats, in order to ensure that all that drool and the moisture is not just sitting in the creases of the baby neck, because you know babies have those cute little creases in their necks, but you want to make sure that they are protected. Completing this method, I saw the rash starting to go away within 3 to 4 days. Now, it did take a couple weeks for the color to come back in his neck because the rash did discolor his neck. But as far as the little bumps and the angriness, the angry red tint that his neck had, 3 to 4 days, it was completely gone. I hope that you found this video to be helpful. In no way am I a medical professional. These are things that I consulted with my doctor, and that's what my doctor advised for me to do. I advise for you as well to consult with your doctor before you try these methods. All right, thanks so much for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and have a great day. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of DonyB TV. On your way out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy your day.